Hi there, Dr. Smith here again, talking about how to treat a sprain. Okay, so we talked about how I was icing my foot, resting it, keeping it elevated, compressed, taking anti-inflammatories, and after icing I would take off the ice pack, I would do my pain-free range of motion exercises. Now, the R part of the PRICE technique, right, protect, rest, ice, compress, and elevate, really is important too. You have to rest this foot when it's sprained. Those ligaments can't take any weight, and you're just going to keep damaging them if you walk on them or continue to run on them, so you really got to rest. And that's where the crutches come in if you have to move. If you don't know how to size up a crutch properly, this is what this video is about. Okay, so when I'm standing here on my right leg, I want to make sure that this crutch, when it's out in this position here, when I'm going to lean forward, that the arm piece is underneath my armpit but not up into it. You can see that there's a couple inches of space in there. You don't want to be leaning onto that armpit. Okay, that'll cause you to get numb, tingling, and weak in your hand and cause some other problems. Okay, so you don't rest on your armpit. You want to keep that a little bit underneath. Now you see the hand piece is really important. When that is out, I want to still have a little bit of a bend in my elbow, right? I don't want to have it totally locked like that, and I don't want to have it up here like this where my shoulder has to come up like this. So my shoulder can stay down and my elbow is bent. And you can adjust these to put the hand piece where you need it. And this part is how you adjust the height. If I was shorter, I would pull this up again so that when that is out in its angled forward position, it's a couple inches underneath my armpit. When I walk, what I'm going to do is use my hand pieces to hold my body up, not my armpits. Okay? So as I go forward, I'm pushing up with my hands and just holding myself up off the ground that way. Okay? This actually is a really good workout for building shoulder stability. Okay? And so I'm using my hands, not my armpits. Again, that's the most important thing about using the crutches. In an upcoming video, we'll talk about transitioning into walking with your crutches and eventually just using one crutch.